absolute ton, guys. I'm gonna get a ton more, guys. Reason to use braid. No stretch. This has stretch in it. This is monofilament. You don't want stretch. Horrible. If you're drop shotting, try and use braid with a fluorocarbon leader. That's what I recommend. I just use a swivel connected. I just use monofilament, swivel, monofilament. That's all I have. Monofilament is all I have. I don't have fluorocarbon. I don't have anything else except monofilament. So that's all I can use for now. Eventually, I want braid. Actually, it's Christmas. I want braid. So all stuff I want that could mean a difference between me catching fish and me not catching fish on lures is on Christmas. I'll also probably want, if I don't get all I want on Christmas, I'll probably ask for some of that stuff on. So I have about $215 worth of stuff I want. I also want a real sonar scale to know about these calibrated things. So I want to know how much the fish actually weighs. I've bought a couple, and it might be like 2 pounds. And I've never known it because I don't normally lift. I'm not very good with weight, guys. Sometimes I think something's like. I'm actually pretty decent with weights, but not great. Sometimes when I say something's 2 pounds, it's really like half ounce or something. Then I hold a 7-ounce fish and it felt like a pound. Alright guys, that's my tackle. I don't have a flipping gear yet, but I want that kind of stuff. YouTubing what I have! You're a butt. Okay. Okay, guys. I have to go in for dinner. I think I'm watching a football game. So, that's my tackle. My rod's over there. It's a Zebco 33 Black Combo. I got my Pro Shop spin casting. Just as simple as that I found. His casting also is decent. It also doesn't get tangled a lot, so it's pretty good. It can handle a lot of weight. Not a lot of weight. It can handle most weights. But 1/8 ounce and a half ounce, so it's pretty good. Doesn't pass half ounce real easily. It had a little more than half ounce. 1/8 ounce, good. Half ounce of casting. So yeah, it's half ounce also. So that's it. My tackles. Probably see you in the next tackle video. Probably see you. Probably see you in January. I want to be able to see my stuff and find out exactly what you are. I want to be able to know exactly what I have. So that's what I have right now. Should see you in January if I get something I want. Hoping for a new baitcaster. I want a baitcaster. So, and also taking a trip to the Dominican Republic, and we're going deep sea fishing. So I'm definitely bringing my GoPro there. And first I'll probably see you in my tackle video, and then I'll see you at Dominican